Hi there everyone! Sometimes you just need an easy sugar filled treat that doesn't take very long to make. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy puff pastry cookies idea. These puff pastry cookies are chocolate flavored and deliciously crispy in every bite. So let's get started! You'll need 1 sheet of puff pastry. Cut the puff pastry sheet into 30 rectangular pieces or any shape you like.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Cut in the center each pieces. Place them on a long baking sheet.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high.
Spread 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar over the pastry.
Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes until puffed and golden. Once the cookies are baked, let them cool down.
Fly forever if you keep it tight.
Melt 2 ounces of dark chocolate. You can use any chocolate and icing of your preference. Transfer the melted chocolate to a piping bag and spread over the cookies.
Keep the sky on your mind.
Let the cookies rest at room temperature until the chocolate sets. The cookies are ready to be enjoyed. Try them for your next coffee break. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.